Hi everyone, Janet Boyer here with another haul, this time from Michael's, and boy they had some sales. Now I did get this from Amazon.com. This is for my bee journal, hexagonal like the beehives are. They actually had in the clearance bin $2 washi tapes, so lots to pick from. So I got these and these. And I got a cute bee stamp. I have never used these, but I thought, well, that would be cute for spring journals and even the bee journal, because after all, bees do need flowers, right? And I got some gold hexagonal glitter. I've never used these before with junk journals or tags or something, so we'll see what happens. Oh, I got this as well in the $2 bin. Okay, and I got, these were buy one, get one 50% off. I got some cardstock craft paper for large tags, and then I got some medium tags. I got some die cuts that I thought would be cool because, this might work with my bee journal, and some spring and some flowers. And I was going to be doing a metaphysical or new agey type, and I thought, these look like different kind of moons, and I can use my circle punch to make different kinds of moons out of those. And then I got these papers. Move these to the side. This is so pretty. It has metallic bees on one side. Whoops, these are two of them. They're together. And the other side, oops, I smacked the phone, sorry. And the other side, let me try to study that. Okay, shaky. It's just, like a beehive, honeycomb. So isn't that cool? So I got two of those. And I got this pretty metallic, light metallic, not gaudy metallic paper. I thought I could do some hexagonal punches with that, or to make things. I got this. I already have some brown cardstock, but I thought I can always use more for, well, brown goes with any kind of vintage, but also for my coffee journal. And I also got some with grays because I've been wanting to do a hygge. It looks like Hygge. It's pronounced hygge though, meaning comfort and coziness. And that's usually people focus on that in fall and winter. But people who are into hygge do it all the time. It's kind of like a mindfulness. I think it's Swedish. I think it's sweet, like a Swedish. It's like candles and things that are like grays, neutrals, whites, cozy sweaters, comforters, books, food, conversation. It's an aesthetic. So I've been wanting to do a hygge journal, so I thought, this would be pretty with all the grays and neutrals. And then I saw this on Paper Terrace's unboxing, and I was like, I have to get this magical thinking. And it is as pretty as she showed it when she did her unboxing. I just love Jessica's videos. And I'll flip through just in case you haven't seen hers. A lot of metallic accents. Light pinks. I almost got the succulent one too with the cactus, but I got something else instead because these were buy one, get one 50% off too, and I'll show that to you. But I like the fact that it's like butterflies and there's stars and moons and crystals, and it's like really new agey constellations, so you can go different directions with this. But isn't this beautiful? The only drawback is it's one-sided, but we can deal with that, right? Then we got like a light gray, some more like florals, butterflies, and moons. A really pretty, like an olive green, but even prettier, I think. There's things you can make for like tags or other inserts. Let's see, we got a pretty ecru color, like a yellowish beige. We got this. Try not to push it so you can kind of see. There we go. These 12 by 12s are big, huh? Okay, and then more butterflies with some nice pink moon motifs. So cute. Really pretty Pepto-Bismol pink. Then we have these. You can use these faux washi tapes or put these on tags or something. I like the metallic elements as well. But I mean, can you really go wrong with flowers, crystals, and butterflies? I mean, come on. And moon and stars. Black. Pink with metallic stars. I mean, this is good for like New Agers, good witches, things like that, white witches. Moon phases in pink. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so that's the magical thinking. And I got this. Oops. Knocked over we actually have a water distiller, not an alcohol distiller, a water distiller. So we make our own distilled water. It's on the same table. So I kind of like have to do it this side, and I just knocked over the plastic jug. I decided to get this one instead because it, again, I thought it would go great for hygge. It's kind of hard to, be in that mindset when you're in the midst of like, late spring and hot summer. But, you know how some things, if you don't jump on it, it gets sold out, you can't find it, and then you kick yourself, right? So I figure if you're really, really, and you're not iffy, drawn to a paper pack, it's always best to get it, especially if it's buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one 50% off, or what have you. So this is hygge because I felt, because of the plaid and the subdued like sage greens, the grays, some tweeds and things. So anybody who's familiar with hygge will see this and say, oh yeah, that'll work. And if you don't know much about hygge, type in Hygge, either in Google or YouTube. You can find out more about it. I think it's kind of similar to cottagecore in a way, but hygge is because it's it started in, I believe, Sweden, where it's cold temperatures, and how they get through the winters a lot better than some Americans and other places, how they have created an aesthetic of comfort, snuggling, reading, slowing down, and what have you. I love this. This looks like a quilt almost. The way there's gradations, it's so beautiful. So when I saw this, I'm like, okay, this is such a cozy, yummy paper pad. I feel. I mean, look at this. I mean, if you're into that kind of thing, like a shag rug, this is totally hygge aesthetic, or hygge. This almost looks like leather in a way, but it's just cardstock. But I don't know if you can really see how it almost looks like there's texture on there. It's not. It's just plain cardstock, but it sure does look like it. And we have some plaid. Oh, sweater. Hygge. Plaid. Some metallics. There again. Sweater. So you can see, definite. Okay, well, thank you for joining me. My phone's about ready to die, so I am going to see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Bye-bye for now.